Are you worried about how to set the tools? Are you worried how to take the offset from the dialing method? Do not worry about that. We have very good technology from ZOLLER. ZOLLER Tool Presetter. This comes with 3 axes, Z, X and C axis, and a complete automation software for you. You don't have to be dependent on the operator. Just load the tool, click on the measure button, everything will be taken care by the software. So now I'll be loading the tool. This comes with a BT50. I just loaded the tool. I have the program already set. I'll be clicking on just measure button. Automatically the optic array will find the cutting edge. So you don't have to worry about the skill. Now you can see the automation starts. Automatically the highest cutting point is being measured. From this measurement, we'll be getting the exact values. I have loaded the end mill. The rotation is happening. Within few seconds, we'll be able to get height, diameter, radius, runout, angle 1, angle 2, name what you want for the cutting tool. So from this measurement, I'll be transferring the data to the CNC machine, and you can run the machine with our folders. Within few seconds, how you set the tools. What if you don't have this kind of a presetter? We'll be spending more time on setting the tools with a dial method or offline method or with a manual method. So that difficulty will be completely reduced and everything will be taken care of by the presetter. The owner of the company do not have to worry about how the operator is setting the tools. Everything he can rely on our presetter. To know more about our presetter, you can contact our experts.